Hello children, welcome to Akshala Public School, Vijaypur, Grade 7 Computer Digital Learning Platform. I am Sneha Hiremat, your computer teacher. Today I am going to introduce Chapter 1, Number System. I am going to discuss on the topic Binary Number System. Children, be ready with your computer textbook, notebook, worksheet number 1, pencil and an eraser. Let us understand learning outcomes. We are learning to know and understand the importance of number system, and we are learning to describe conversion of decimal number system to binary number system. Children, let us begin our topic number system. In early days, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. To overcome these limitations, many number systems were introduced with the passage of time. They are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal or hex number system. Let us understand number system. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities such as number of students in a class, number of viewers watching a particular show, etc. We use the decimal number system in our day-to-day life, whereas a computer represents all kinds of data and information, text, numbers, graphics, etc. in the binary number system. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. The base is written after the number as a subscript, for example 15. Let us take one more example, the number 1125. Here digits 1, 1, 2, 5. Here we have index 0, 1, 2, 3. And here we have position. Here 10 is a radix, or it is also called base. Children, do you know who is he? Yes, he is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was India's greatest mathematician and astronomer. He introduced the concept of zero, without which modern computer technology would have been non-existent. Decimal number system. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digits, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Hope it is clear now. The rightmost digit of a number is called least significant digit, whereas the leftmost digit is called most significant digit. For example, the number 547 can be represented in the following way. Children, observe the number. The positional value of each digit increases 10 folds as we move from right to left. In the mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face values, and their place values are hundreds, tens and units respectively. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Children, it is clear now. Let us move to the topic binary number system. Binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Children, Here 1 represent on, 0 represent off state. Why binary is used? Yes, a computer cannot understand human language. Rather, it understands only the binary code. Therefore, the data that is entered into a computer is converted into its binary equivalent. It further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate an output. Children, let us see who is he. He is Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician. He is credited with the invention of the modern binary number system. Children, he introduced binary number system. Let us solve the conversion of decimal into binary number system. The equivalence between binary and decimal numbers can be understood with the given examples. Let us convert a decimal number into binary number with the help of these steps. Step number 1. Divide the given decimal with the base 2. Step 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Step 3. Repeat the steps 2 till the quotient is 0. Step 4. Write the reminders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. That is, placing the least significant digit at the top and most significant digit at the bottom. Children, let us see how to convert decimal number into binary. Here it is 25 is the given number. Divide by 2, write down quotient, remainder. Again you divide this number by 2, write down quotient, remainder. Repeat these steps till the quotient becomes 0 and write down most significant digit and least significant digit. Write all the reminders in reverse order to obtain the binary number. Thus, 25 is equal to 11001. Home play. Read and understand about number system. Refer textbook page number 6 and 7. And convert the given numbers into equivalent binary numbers. Numbers are 9, 14, 19, 21, 25, 86, 321, 121, 17 and 6 in your computer notebook. Hope you enjoyed this class, children. Thank you. Bye.